welcome to my channel. As you can see, obviously I'm driving right now, so yeah, I'm on my way to work. I figured I would do a short vlog or a drive with me, whatever you want to say. So yeah, why not jam with me while I go to work? And it's bright as hell, so these are coming on.
Do it after Camila Cabello.
Havana, ooh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na. He took me back to yesterday, na, 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 na. He took me back to yesterday, na, 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 na. Oh, my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, na. So now that I'm in Fargo, I suppose I can talk a bit. Me personally, I've been very stressed out. School has just been crazy. It's been having its ups and downs. I finish in 2 weeks of this quarter. I don't finish the program, but I finish this quarter in 2 weeks. And all I have to say is I am so ready to be done. I passed a course that I didn't think I was going to be able to pass. But then a course that I thought was going to be so easy that I should have paid more attention to since I was more focused on the first class. But now I'm kind of worried that I'm not going to be passing this other course, so that's fun. So I've just been stressed with homework, studying, and exams, and projects. So if my videos haven't been the best lately, you know why. I just really haven't had the time to put a lot of thought into each video, and I will admit I haven't been able to use my whole heart in every video just because of how stressed I've been. And I do want to apologize for that. I do want to be able to put out the best content for you guys. I was even thinking that maybe I should just take a break and do like a 2-week break while I have my last 2 weeks of this quarter, but I really didn't want to do that because a lot of my videos, like, I do have time for. The weather just hasn't been in my favor to go film them, but yeah, I just thought I would throw that out there so you guys kind of know what's going on in my life. But yeah, I am almost to work. I work 3 to 8 tonight, and then I might go to a little get together, a little party tonight. So yeah, I'm excited. I need a break from studying.
Running full of demons in your mind. Then I took yours and made them mine.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little drive with me. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And you can hit that notification button if you want to see when I post. I do post every Wednesday and Sunday. And if I don't, I do notify you guys on my Instagram, or I do make like a separate video talking about why I will be taking a break. But as of right now, I am still full-time doing these videos. So yeah, I'm going to close out. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video.